Hello, and welcome to today's gentle yoga flow. Today we will enjoy the stretch and take our time. So let's start sitting on the mat, and with a breath in, float your arms up and let them slide down to your heart center. With a gentle bow, set your intention for today's practice. And let's go and bring our right leg over the left knee, connecting to a fire log pose, releasing emotional tension. Take a breath in, find your long spine, pull the Mula Bandha up and in, feel the connection between Mula Bandha and your navel. Breathe into the areas that are stretching. Feel free to stay here or gently bend to the side. Extending the space between your ribs, looking to the sky, and we're going to move with a breath out and breathe into the other side, letting the blood flow, letting the movement flow through your body. Breathe out, move to the other side, breathe in, open your chest. Breathe out, let go, gentle bow. Breathe in, open your chest. And coming back to the center, switching the legs, placing the left leg over the right. Find your inner peace. Release any unnecessary tension. And gentle bow to the other side. Feel free to stay here or connect to the flow from side to side. Breathe out. Breathe in, open the chest. Breathe out, let it carry you through the center. Open the chest. Let go, extend your spine even longer as you fold forward, as you move to the side. And let the left arm take you back to the center. Long spine. Unwind your legs and place the right knee over, right ankle over, connecting to a nice twist. And if you want to extend your arm and place the elbow over the knee, increase the stretch, increase the twist. Extend your arm if that feels good. With a breath in, elongate your spine. With a breath out, let your spine twist a little further. Release your gaze. And unwind, and we're going to have a nice transition to the other side. Breathe in, arm up. Elbow over the knee. Feel free to stay here or extend your arm. Breathe to the back of your ribs. Open your chest, open both shoulders. Pull your navel in and up. And with a breath out, go a little further in the twist. And unwind the pose. And going to our knees. And gently folding to our child pose with extended arms. Finding nice stretch. Bringing our armpits closer to the ground, elevating the wrists. take your time. Let go here. Find a long breath, long spine. And move with the right leg forward, low lunge stretch. Release the tension, physical and emotional, and bring your sit bones back to a nice hamstring stretch. Connecting to the flow with a breath out when you fold forward, and breathe in, open the chest with a low lunge. Finding deeper stretch as you go every time. Let the movement gently flow through your spine. And on the breath in, open your chest wider. And on the breath out, elongate your spine behind your leg, your hamstrings, and shifting for a low lunge. Lifting our left arm to find a longer stretch. Maybe adding a gentle extension here. And we're going for the reverse half bound pose. Preparing our body for the full bound. Bringing the heel closer to your ass cheeks. And shifting to the other side. Bringing your heel a little closer to you. Finding a nice stretch in your thigh. And release the leg. Coming back through child pose. Bringing the left leg forward, low lunge. Feel free to stay here or enjoy the flow back and forth. Bringing sit bones back, nice hamstring stretch here. Breathe in, shifting it forward. As we move through the movement, bringing your right hip closer to the ground, aligning our hips, letting the movement flow organically through our spine, finding a free range of motion in our chest, and elevating the right arm. Long spine here, pull the navel in, squeeze the Mula Bandha. Find a gentle twist here. Working on our balance as well. Calm breath. And we're switching to the other twist, to the other side. With a long spine, release the tension in your shoulders. And release your arm, step back. Finding our half butterfly. Side bend. Opening the ribs. Opening your chest. Feel free to look down or forward or to the sky or to the ceiling. Releasing unnecessary tension in our neck. Elongating our spine, making sure the left hip is touching the ground as we stretch. Shifting to the other side. Gentle bound. Opening those ribs. Opening the right armpit to the ceiling. Extending your left side of the ribs along your thigh. elongating that spine, and gently coming back to the center, opening both legs for the forward fold. Nice preparation for the split. See as you go how much you want to fold forward. Maybe place a pillow underneath your chest. Finding long legs. Flexing helps stretch your knees. Feel free to bend them if that's what feels good for your body today. Finding long spine. Feel free to stay there a little bit longer or go on with me for butterfly pose fold. Gentle stretch, release the emotions, release the tension at the back of your back, your hips. Feel free to wiggle your spine gently, let the movement flow through your spine as the breath flows through our body. Bringing right leg forward, left leg stretched behind you. Enjoying our pigeon pose, forward fold. If that's too much, feel free to place a pillow in front of you to rest in this position. You can also bend the back leg if that feels too intense of a stretch. And just breathe. And release any tension that your body may carry. Gently lift yourself and switch to the other side. Bringing your right hip closer to the ground and allow yourself to spread forward. Allow your body to melt into the ground. Release the tension in your neck. Release the tension in your face. Let go deeper. And feel free to stay there and go and rest in the corpse pose, or just finish the session with me, the easy cross-legged. With the breath in, collect your energy, bring your arms up. And let them slide down to your heart center. Namaste. Have a wonderful day.